I'm Marian Guchico, and this dissection is brought to you by Dial.
I'm Rachel Judson.
I'm Amanda Slater.
And I'm Shruti Padakam. Hey, what's up, MTV? Welcome to my heart.
So first, let's go to the front door, which is the inferior. This is the superior, and then the remnants of the inferior vena cava. This is where everyone comes in. It's where deoxygenated blood comes back to the heart to get its oxygen. So from here, it goes into the right atrium, which is around here. Then it goes through the tricuspid valve, and then right into the right ventricle.
So right ventricle is the hangout spot because then it goes into the pulmonary valve, which goes into the pulmonary artery, which splits into two, which is the back door, which leads into our backyard, which is the lungs.
And from the lungs, we go back into the heart, which is from the pulmonary vein, and it goes into the left atrium, which is, the bedrooms where everyone takes a nap, and then it goes to the bicuspid valves, and from there
we enter into the left ventricle, and then after that we're going to pump through the aortic valve and then into the aorta and out to the rest of the body.
Make sure you don't go through any of these valves without telling anyone because there's only one-way entrance and there's no way you can get back in.
Yeah, so once you're in, you're stuck.
So join us next time when we go inside and show you room tours.
So not only does the heart pump blood to the rest of the body, it also has to pump blood back to itself, because without oxygen to itself, it will completely die. So the special arteries that pump blood from the heart back to the heart are called the coronary arteries, and this is the anterior surface of the heart. We can see the right coronary artery here and the left coronary artery here. So you can see they come from the heart back into the heart. There are a lot of other like accessory coronary arteries, but these are the main ones, just so that the heart remains oxygenated.
So how the aorta structure determines its function is it has really thick walls, as you can see, and that's because it has to pump the blood from the heart to the rest of the body, so it has to maintain the pressure that the blood has that's coming out from the heart. And also in the aorta there are these arteries that are attached, so in surgery, if you need to have like a bypass or something, you can take these arteries and attach them to the heart so it can still run through the body.
Okay, this is the posterior side of the heart, this is the superior vena cava, and these are remnants of the inferior vena cava. So the structure of them, the diameter is so wide because it allows all the channels of the deoxygenated blood to flow into the right atrium. And then these vessels do not contain valves to control blood flow.
Okay, so here is the anterior side of our cow heart. So as you can see, here is our left side. Notice how the walls are very, very thick. And if you go over to the right side, they're also thick, but not nearly as thick as the left side. This is because the left ventricle is responsible for pumping all of the blood to the rest of the body.
So after the blood goes from the left atrium to the left ventricle, the aorta under the mitral valve will push blood to the rest of the body, which can be seen here.
Move your finger.
Ta-da! And then these are all the arteries that'll continue to push blood and oxygenate the rest of the body.
Big thank you to our sponsor, Dial.
I have to sneeze. Oh wait, it went away when I said that.
Okay, is there anything what did we miss? Did we miss anything? Oh, do we want to talk about the septum is here.
Wait, so
What's wrong, Dev?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
That's okay. Pick it up. Improv. Go, go, go.
Okay, are you? Oh my god.
Let's go.
These valves do not contain vessels to control.
No, the other way.
Oh my
These
God.
vessels
All
do
right.
not contain valves.
Hey, we're learning. All right, guys, we're learning.